Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Beam for Construction. So as we have started in Revit Architecture tutorial series for the architects and the civil engineer student, so we are keeping this series continue, and in this today episode we will be discussing about how you can change the glass panel thickness for any curtain panels and how you can make it like right now. As you can see here, the glass panel is behind this mullions, and if you need it into be like in the middle, or if you need those glass panel in the front, then how you can adjust those offset as per your requirement. Okay, so in our previous video we have discussed about how you can change the glass panel color. So if you haven't watched that video, I will request you to go to my playlist section and check out those videos also. Okay, as you can see here, for the upper portion we have converted the glass into somewhat blue glass color, and here in the below portion we have given the color for the glass panel as a green. Okay, let's start our discussion for today topic. Let me quickly hide those elements so we can easily understood the updates. Okay, let me quickly hide this also. HH. So as you can see here, first of all we will be discussing about how you can change the thickness of your any glass panel. Okay, let's suppose we want to change the thickness of this particular glass panel as per our project requirement. So you have to first simply select this glass panel with the help of tab. Then second step, if you go here, you can't edit the property related to this system panel. So first of all, in your model you have to make it unpin. After unpin those properties panel, you can now update as per your requirement. So you have to choose from here. You will go in edit type, then in edit type you are having one parameter, you can see here thickness. So whatever thickness you required, you will be updating here. Let's say if you require 1 inch thickness, then you can simply place here 1 inch thickness, apply OK. Then the glass panel thickness will be updated as per your requirement. Okay, as you can see here, we are having right now 1 inch thickness. Let me change it to more thickness so we can easily notify the changes. Let's say 4 inch we are taking the update. So you will be seeing here the difference that we are right now giving the data. As you can see here, the width of the glass panel has been increased from 1 inch to 4 inch. So this is how you can change the thickness of any glass panel as per your requirement. Okay, and if these changes will be affecting in all of the rest glass panel automatically. So if you don't want to update all the glass panel, so I will recommend you to first duplicate this particular one, and you can mention here like 4 inch panel, and then you can adjust your settings as per that requirement. Okay, so it will not be affecting rest, only that particular will be affecting. Okay, next one we will be discussing about how you can place. Okay, let me turn Control Z again. We will be moving to 1 inch thickness only. Okay, this one. Now as you can see here, right now the glass panel is coming besides this mullions. Okay, now we want the glass panel to be in the front of the mullion or in the middle of the mullion. Then how you can change those in your Revit project. Okay, so for that one, simply we will be going. Okay, again we will be selecting any of the panel that we need. Let's say we will be selecting this one again. Okay, then we will be going to edit type again. Here we are having an you can say the parameter. Here you can see offset. Okay, so offset you have to mention. So how much offset right now it is having? It is having 1.5 inch right now. So let's say if we will be giving this as a 2 inch offset. Let's say we need the 2 inch offset, so you will be seeing the difference. As you can see here, we have applied, and this right now the glass panel having the 2 inch offset. Okay, so you can change the offset as per your requirement. If you want no offset, then you can fill the 0 and it will be in the middle. As you can see here with the mullion, it will be directly in the middle. If you want the offset in that particular right direction, let's say here, then you can fill the data in the negative. Let's say if you want the offset in the front direction, then we can mention here 2 inch in the minus. In this case, the panel will go in the front direction. So this is how you can change the offset as per your requirement. You can change the thickness of the glass panel as per your requirement. You have to simply select that glass material. You have to unpin from here, then you can change the thickness from here, you can change the offset from here as per your requirement. And in our previous video we have discussed how you can change the material, so if you haven't watched, you go and check out my web tutorial.